Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to go over conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is a fun little feature that will help your data come alive. It'll help to visualize the data without using charts. Let's get started. As you can see on screen, we have some data. Let's start with formatting the pass and fail column. Let's say we want to say everything with a pass is in green and everything with a fail is in red. So let's highlight these cells, come to your home tab, and under Styles, you will see Conditional Formatting. Click this button, highlight Cell Rules, and anything that contains specific text will be here. If it contains the word fail, we will want it in the light red fill with dark red text. That's okay. And we also want to change the formatting of anything that says pass. So pass will be green fill with dark green text. Now, if you don't like any of these formats, all you have to do is simply go back here, select this drop-down menu, and custom format. This pop-up box will allow you to customize the font style, the font size, and the font type. You can also change the border style, the fill style, and the number style. Let's say now we want to format any numbers that are below 50. Let's highlight these numbers here. Conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and anything less than 50. So anything less than 50 will be a dark red text. We can also change the formatting so that it shows data bars. So let's clear this formatting. Come here, clear rules from selected cells. Come here, go to color scale, click the first one, and look how easy it is. We can see the numbers that are lower are in red, and as the numbers get higher, they turn to green. So yellow number is kind of in between. We can also change this, clear this rule from the selected cells, data bars, add a gradient color, and let's expand this so we can see it better. So now you can see visually the lower scores have a smaller bar and the higher scores have a bigger bar. For example, 38 is barely covering the entire bar, but the 98 here is almost the entire bar here. So this is a handy way of visualizing your data without adding a chart. You can also add icons. So we come here, let's go to indicators, click that, and it gives an indicator as to whether or not the score is good or bad. Let's remove all of these formats so that I can show you another feature. So come here, go to top bottom rules, then you can highlight the top 10 items. Let's say we want to highlight the top 10. You can always change it to any number you would like, and then highlight those in green. So in this instance, I can now see the top 10 scores across the board. I can also highlight this, top bottom rules, bottom 10%, and I will fill that with the red fill. Say OK, and now we see the bottom 10% in red. Let's set up a new rule. We'll highlight these cells, conditional formatting, new rule. Here we can enter a custom rule. We can change the highlighting based on the cell value they contain, the value of the ranking, as well as unique or duplicate values. So let's highlight anything with a unique or duplicate value. From here, you can select duplicate or unique. So let's say anything with the same value, and then we will format the fill. Let's give it a purple color. SK, SK. So now we can see which numbers are the same. Conditional formatting is a great tool to help you visualize the data without putting it into a chart. It also gives you the flexibility of bringing certain data points to the front. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.